Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ashneet Kaur, and for the people who do not know me, I am a real life makeup artist, and today I will be reviewing these products that were sent to me by the Do You Life. I will unbox these products and I will show you what all they have sent me, and I will be giving my take on these products. They were sent to me about more than a week back and I have been using them since, so I will be giving my take on them. It came to me in this cute cardboard packaging, and if you can see over here, they have mentioned their details. They have mentioned their Facebook, Instagram, YouTube handle, and they've also mentioned their email. On the packaging, their customer care number is given, so if in case you're facing an issue, I'm sure you all can contact on that. So the first product is the face wash. It looks like this and it comes into a tube. I think this could be a tester because this is just 8 ml. Then there is this hydrating moisturizer. Again, this comes in a tube and this is around 50 ml. Then they have sent me this calming face mask, which is so this is the box and I will show you how it looks. They have also sent me this lip serum. It comes in a roll-on form. We'll talk about this. Let's talk about the face wash and the moisturizer first. So the face wash, I have used this after applying my makeup. I have to clean my face. I have also used it without having any makeup on my face during the night when I need to wash my face. It works amazingly well. It does not dehydrate your skin. It does not it does not pull off all the moisture out. In fact, I feel like it is hydrating. That's why I wanted to talk about both the products together, because I feel they go hand in hand, especially the moisturizer. So for all the products that I'll be speaking, they are suitable for all skin types. Also, once you open it will work for only 12 months. After that it expires. Before opening it will work for 24 months. So I mean, it's a good time. Also, for this moisturizer, I love the texture. It is so thick, it is so creamy. So this I have used during the time I was in Goa as well as when I was in Mumbai. So in Mumbai it works fine. In Goa I actually got to test it because my skin became extremely dry because I was constantly exposed to the sun, and this was a lifesaver. I just want to show you the texture. Just have a look how creamy and thick this is. So the main ingredient is vitamin E, I think. Yeah, so the main ingredient here is vitamin E, and just look how thick it is and how creamy the texture is. I really love it, and I'm definitely gonna call for more after I run out. I love it. I mean, it's just worked amazing on my skin, I feel. So moving on, I'm going to talk about the face mask. It comes like this in a box, and so there is a sachet that you get inside it. You need to cut it. So the way to use it is take 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, open this sachet, put it in the water, wait for 2-3 minutes. Do not mix it during that time, just wait for 2-3 minutes. After that you will see that it's turning into a clear mousse like formula. Post that you can mix it and then apply it on your face. I'd advise to keep it only for like 10 minutes because 15 minutes it tends to I feel like it, because I have dry skin, it tends to over dry your skin, and especially when you move around your face a lot, the mask tugs to the skin, and it can cause aging faster that way, if that makes sense to you. So while the mask is on, you can actually feel like, you know, when you apply menthol products, you can feel a soothing, a calming sense. So this is the same thing that this does. In fact, even after you wash it off, you feel like, okay, it has done, like, you feel that your skin has become a little cleaner. So this is what I thought about the mask. Let's talk about the lip serum. This is a roll-on serum. It comes in a roll-on form. The texture is very lightweight. Can you see this? The texture is very lightweight, and I usually like to apply it in the night, where it gets the time to sit on the lips and do its work, because during the day I feel like it gets rubbed off very easily. Also, the main ingredient in this is the sunflower seed oil. It also contains vitamin E. Yes, I'm correct. Vitamin E and sweet orange, which is similar to citrus. So because this is orange, this flavor is orange, and it works amazing. I've also tried this on an over drying lipstick, which used to suck the life out of my lips, and you could see the cracks. I have applied this before and then applied that same lipstick, and it did make a huge difference. My lipstick did not over dry my lips, and it just sat on it perfectly. So I mean, it's a good product. The Do You Life products are really affordable. They are very skin friendly. If in case you want to go ahead and check out their website, I will link it in the description below. Also, I just wanted to know that it's not a paid review. They just sent me the products and they told me that you use it for a week or more than a week, and then you can give your own review. So there was no restraint. Whatever I'm saying is out of my own will and what personally I felt of these products. Also, if you guys are new, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am Ishneet Kaur, and this is it for today. Thank you so much, guys.